Now let's have a look on how to create your individual extender configuration. First of all, press New Project. Enter a project name, project description, and project number if available. Now start the project. Add an extender. Just choose a body by double-click or drag and drop. Now you can easily add the main boards. The color shows if it fits. You can easily change the body. For example, we would like to choose a 6BP body. And if you want to copy extender boards, just click the Alt key and move it to the desired place. You can also add parts from the part list. Just type in the part numbers. By clicking the duplicate icon at the top, you can easily duplicate fully equipped chassis. At the top menu, you can find the part list. It contains a summary of all chassis and extender information and can be downloaded for your documentation. When you close your project, it will be saved in your browser's cache. You can reopen it later to continue with the configuration.